they know that I'm about you. If this ain't the way to love, to show me how to, cause I'm not afraid.
Hi everyone, it's Adyel here and welcome back to my channel. Happy February / happy early Valentine's Day. I am feeling festive if you can't tell. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me on how I got this iconic pink look. Y'all, I am truly feeling it. I'm so happy and feeling so festive and girly right now. And today I'm rocking this beautiful dress that actually inspired the look from Fashion Nova. And as always, you can use code Adyel for money off all your Fashion Nova orders. And before we get started into this tutorial, of course, be sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all of that. But I did want to show you guys some Fashion Nova pieces that I picked up in case you want to do some last minute Valentine's Day shopping, a date night outfits, lingerie, anything like that. So I want to show you guys. I also did a photo shoot with my friend Neo, who has been on my channel before. If you remember, you're an OG. And I love how the pictures came out, so I'll insert them here as I'm showing you guys certain pieces. Be sure to show some love on Instagram. But yeah, speaking of, I got to this iconic robe. I am so obsessed with it. It is bougie. It is like the robes that you see all over Pinterest. I absolutely love it. I got this in an extra large to do the photos in, and I paired it with this beautiful red heart lingerie and some red stockings, as you can see in the photos here. Iconic. The next piece I got is this beautiful purple colored dress, this like royal purple. I'm obsessed with it. I've never really had a clothing item this color, and it is stunning. I paired it with a matte lipstick from Dose of Colors with the photos. Absolutely stunning and so classic for a date night. Very sexy, very show-stopping, very different. I wanted to do like a purple look this year because I feel like I always kind of neglect the purples, and that's kind of like an anti-Valentine's look as well. But then I got this beautiful red dress. What I love is it has this really flattering cowl neck tie, and then it has, of course, bling bling down the side of your thigh. It is super sexy, super cute. You will turn heads in all of this, trust me. And then of course, this cute little dress. It is so cozy. It's like a spandex material. We got ruching going on. You guys should already know I'm gonna flick up in this after filming this. But yeah, and I'm gonna pop out to my little event wearing this. Super cute. So then I want to take pictures with this as well before Valentine's Day, but honestly expect my Instagram feed to be all pink and girly. This is a look. It is so cute. It zips all the way down. It is this bubblegum pink color, but it has a little bit of lilac shift. Velvet. This is just a boss ass piece with the collar. Okay. Also, if you're wondering, all my jewelry is from Shop GLD. But yeah, as for some other things, I will show you guys pictures of lingerie items that they sent me that are freaking fire. I got this purple set, which is super bomb. I have a surprise for you guys soon. I am in the middle of something and my stuff is everywhere because of it. Stay tuned for a Q&A or something of that sort soon. So that is why I'm showing you guys this way and not fully. I also got a black corset, really sexy piece. I got this forest green, emerald green piece, super freaking sexy. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into when I had just woke up looking a hot mess, not having confidence that we were gonna pull this look together. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you could hear that. Oh, it stopped. Well, that was going on for like 30 minutes and I overslept. So I pretty much decided that I was gonna do this makeup therapy voiceover style, but getting ready to go to a Laura Mercier event, and I'm just happening to do a Valentine's Day look today. To multitask. They hand delivered me a COVID test. I missed them at the door. Thank you so much. And it was negative. Yeah, and I didn't even realize that I actually have Laura Mercier clips that I've been using. And I totally forgot that it's very fitting today. So put my hair back and we are gonna start with the eyes. I'm actually gonna be attempting to recreate a look that I saw on TikTok, and I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. And I should probably film a TikTok on it too. I just feel like I don't know if it's even gonna come out good. That's why I'm gonna do the eyes first, because listen, if it comes out bad, we're just gonna have to take it off and start the face all over. No, is the TikTok deleted? Why did I have a feeling this was gonna happen? I think I screenshotted it. I'm over here waiting to give credit though. No, like triple checking just to make sure that I'm not going crazy. crazy. Anyways, I'm really upset now. Is this a sign? Anyways, it was a pink cut crease. I wish I even knew who it was at least so I could refer to the artist. We're just gonna attempt it today. So I have the Jaclyn Hill Morphe 2 palette with the pink. I'm gonna match it to the pink on my top. And I have the Morphe Lisa Frank. I should really probably do a TikTok. The lighting on my phone just isn't giving right now. I'm gonna drench my face in Too Faced Hangover Primer, especially my eye area. Love how hydrating I feel now. But basically the look that I was gonna do was a pink cut crease that just came in. It wasn't anything too fancy, but the work that the person did was just so beautiful and I really wanted to show you guys the inspo for it. But we're gonna attempt that today. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with concealer, carve out my brows, and I'm probably gonna be quiet during this process because I really need to focus and try to make it on time. But yeah, it'll be a mix of like voiceover, therapeutic, and me talking. Why does mine never look beautiful like it's supposed to? Okay. It's not giving, but it's okay. Today we're not focused on being aesthetic. We're focused on this eye artistry and getting it done. So I think I'm gonna go in with this shade Puppy Lover right here. With another Morphe brush. This is the H7. It's a really thin but angled liner brush. I'm just gonna do this with the shadow first, get kind of a precise outline hopefully. I have a pencil liner to do this too, but the line doesn't have to be too straight because we are gonna fade it out. Okay, kind of something like that. I think I can sharpen this line under the cut crease. I don't think I'm as skilled enough, or at least as I used to be, because I used to do like makeup looks like this all the time, but I totally forgot how to like make it all in one kind of line situation. But I'm liking how it's looking. I am kind of fading out this brush right here so that I can use the line up here. So now that I kind of carved that out, I'm gonna take concealer on my hand and let's try. Love! I did not really expect that. I think I was more expecting to fail, but we gotta stop that. We can't have that mentality because you will surprise yourself, period. And then with the lashes and the foundation, yes. All right, so now I'm feeling confident with this next eye. It's actually way easier than it looks. I'm actually gonna start with the liner. Anytime I do shadow liner, it is so much easier for me, in my opinion. If you've mastered a cut crease before, then this is gonna be no problem for you, but it might be a little challenging if you haven't. I personally don't think a cut crease is like super duper hard. Y'all, fun fact, your concealer powder brush is like an eraser, for real. It'll blend out all of the edges. Okay, so I'm actually going to do my face now because it's gonna make everything look so much more put together and snatched, and I'm so excited. I'm really proud of myself. Pretty much one color, but let me show you guys what my face routine has been. So let me look, actually. Okay, yeah, I need to wipe some of the excess fallout. And you guys saw I did my Too Faced Hangover Primer. So I'm just gonna reapply that under the eyes since I just wiped off. Shout out Nat, Nail by Nat, for my beautiful nail. I'm actually on perfect timing. I wanted to leave a little bit soon, but it's okay. And I have been using the new Benefit Professional Light Primer, and I am obsessed with it. It really is that girl. So, there the noise goes again. What I like about this one is, I don't know, it's just lightweight, but it has a hydrating factor to it. Not too much like, I know they have a hydrating one, but this might be my favorite one out of the three just because I really like the thin consistency and it's really tacky. The other Professionals are a little bit more thick and they work, don't get me wrong, I love them, but this, I just like how lightweight it feels and it still does the job. So I don't want to continue talking over that obnoxious noise, so what I'm gonna do is use my LA Girl sponge that matches me right now and apply my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and then hopefully I'll talk to you guys after the foundation has been applied. I usually do about 2 pumps. I got the NARS light reflecting foundation and I haven't tried it yet just because I don't want to try it on an event day and just in case. And I'm happy today because I'm pretty much going to be masked on the whole event. So at least I have some nice eyeshadow to shine through. And I take about half a pump to drag down to my neck because my neck and chest never get color and never match the rest of my body. That's why sometimes when I'm doing makeup videos, I'm like, oh no, it looks like the totally wrong shade, but I promise you it matches my body. Like if you go to my Instagram pictures, sometimes I'm like, damn, this one picture I have super curly hair and like this dress with a pattern and my back is like 5 shades darker than my face and my neck. Okay, so we got the beautiful base down, and then I did a TikTok, if you haven't seen it, on the Rare Beauty blushes and bronzers, and I realized I never talked to you guys about them on YouTube, and long story short, I am obsessed. So I actually do this step straight after foundation. Concealer comes last, just because I've seen like other people when they do cream do that, and just what's been working for me at the moment. But yeah, this shade right here is my lighter shade in Power Boost, and then there's another one called Happy Soul, which I'm actually gonna deepen up a little. It is so creamy and smooth. It is more creamy than the Fenty one, which I can't tell which one I like better because I love them both, but this one just glides and blends so easily, but so does the Fenty one, so that's why I'm like, I don't want to make a direct comparison just yet, even though I've been using both of them for quite some time. But I would say if you have dry skin, this is a better option, and if you have oily skin, the Fenty one, just because this one glides a lot. I don't notice like it being a bad thing when it's on the face, but maybe in the summer. Watch our invisible jawline because I want Kybella. Yeah, my Fenty one, I've noticed, well, I've had it for like over a year, but it's a little bit dry. It doesn't affect the blending, but just compared to this one. Now we're looking a little crazy, a little muddy, but just you wait. Onto the Rare Beauty blushes. Okay, so today I kind of want to go blush heavy, but I don't know. I got 2 darker shades. The one I've been using every day is called Hope. I love it, and when Selena says go little with these, she means it. Like 1 dot is even sometimes too much, okay? I've been using the foundation brush for contour and the blush brush, which, where it at though? I don't know where the blush brush is, and I'm really lazy to find it, so taking the Morphe H1 brush. So pretty and just effortless. Do you see that? The only problem I have been having with these is that layering powder on top doesn't look the best, but I still feel like I need my powder blush too, you know? Still playing around with it, but that's just what I've observed, and don't worry, I'm gonna clean that up. But I like that they just give a natural flush to the skin, and then with this eye look, this is really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead in with my foundation brush, just going with the leftover to clean up. Okay, so now for concealer. I wish that noise would stop. This is where it's all gonna come together. I think my favorite part of applying my makeup is applying my concealer because I just kind of watch the transformation and the face complete itself. Yay! Okay, I don't want it to be too sharp of a line up there because I like the way that I blended it, you know what I mean? Y'all, I have been trying different ways to set my under eyes lately, and I just can never stop the classic way I've been doing it. I get so creasy if I don't do it any other way, so it ain't broken, don't fix it. I blend. Then Laura Mercier powder, and don't come for me, but I use a dry makeup sponge and pack that on just like that, and it's what works for me. I notice when I do wet, it causes major creasing for me. This dry beauty blender and baking just leaves it snatched all day, let me tell you. So I am trying to leave the contour and blush bare and set underneath. There we have it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and match this side to this side and add a little bit of bottom lash line shadow. I hope I don't regret that, but we're gonna make it really thin. I don't think I like it. Dang, I was about to convince myself, but I'm like, I tried blurring it out. So next up, I'm going to top my liquid blush and bronzer with powder. The MAC Grand Blush. Love this one. It's kind of like a cream to powder. So I like to set it over the cream blush. Pretty. I think I'm gonna do nude lips today because it's a lot going on. For my eyebrows lately, I've been using the Gimme Brow in shade 4, and that's pretty much it aside from my brow setter. But this kind of just adds the color back into my eyebrows without it being too heavy or too much. It's easy, it's fast, it re-enhances my natural shape. And if you didn't know, the Gimme Brow actually has brow fibers in it, so it just overall makes your brow look more fluffy. And then my 24-hour brow setter. And yay, I kind of like the no lash look right now. Not totally, but I am gonna take some highlight on my inner corner and my brow bone. This is the Maven Beauty highlight. I'm trying to think if I should do straight hair or curly. I kind of am digging the straight, I'm not even gonna lie. And then add like some little volume on the ends. Yes. Okay, perfect. So now, sorry, as the lighting keeps changing, the sun isn't blaring anymore. Morphe setting spray. I got this one sent to me from them for the holidays. This is a jumbo one. I am in love. One of my favorite, or maybe my favorite setting spray ever, to be honest. And I love that it didn't destroy the power of the eyeshadow, because sometimes some setting sprays do that. Okay, let's get into this lash. We have Sassy, Hazel, Faye. I think Faye is gonna be the winner. Probably gonna have to cut them down. Yeah, I think Faye, I'm gonna cut these and actually apply them, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so these in my opinion are the perfect lashes for the look. They're a little bit fanned out at the end, so they give like the illusion that you have some black winged liner. Okay, I love them, they're so fluttery. And then to finish off the look, I'm going to go in with my Bare lip pencil. Okay, and then a pink gloss. So I have this Stone lip gloss. It's like a pinky nude. Ooh, actually it has some purpley reflex. Not sure how I feel about this one. I actually think my Dose of Colors Lippy in On Repeat would be better, but that one's in my purse. This I feel like is too contrasting, so actually let me go do my hair and stuff like that, and I will be back to complete this look. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm literally obsessed with it. I am feeling it. I haven't played with color in a really long time, and I just feel myself again. I love it. This is an iconic look. I wish I could thank the person for inspiring me. Hopefully they'll pop up on my feed again. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Some Valentine's Day inspo. I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. Let me know what you have planned down below, and if you're gonna rock this look. And if you do, please tag me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.